but we had a fail. I feel like Vlogmas is gonna be a little bit different this year. I've been more excited about them. I'm a little bit nervous about changing up Vlogmas. I really need to make this a little bit easier for myself, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but James says it's gonna be okay. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. I believe today's day 4. I kind of filmed while I was visiting my family, and I think on one of the days we just never finished the vlog. We were gonna do a review of the new Ghostbusters movie, or just kind of like talk about our thoughts about it, and we never did that. So I'm planning on sitting down with James and kind of wrapping that vlog up and still keeping that as a vlog. But I feel like Vlogmas is going to be a little bit different this year, just in terms of my content. I asked you guys in my community tab if you wanted to still see plan with me videos, and most of you are saying yes. So I think that instead of doing a vlog every single day, there might be a couple of plan with me videos that go up as well. So which kind of makes things a little bit easier for me, just in terms of getting ahead and making sure I'm keeping up with editing and having, you know, on days where I just don't have a lot to film or a lot to talk about, or I don't want to film, it makes it a little bit easier for me. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But let me know in the comments below if that's what you want to see, because I'm still really torn. I still feel like Vlogmas should be your traditional vlog every day. But I also know that it's just been a little crazy this year. So I kind of, you know, am okay with not necessarily having a vlog every day. So anyway, all that to say, I'm pretty sure today is Vlogmas day number 4. I hope you guys are doing well and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. It is currently November 29th, and I have been working on Black Friday orders. Black Friday this year was very, very slow. Like the slowest I've ever seen it in my almost 7 years of doing this. And I've seen like in Facebook groups a lot of shop owners saying the same thing, and I think most people are doing their shopping earlier and not waiting for the Black Friday deals. And I know like the first half of November was insane for me, and I was like, this is very unusual, because normally it's very slow the beginning of November and then it's very busy at the end of November, and it kind of flip-flopped this year. But I'm kind of grateful for that, because I am going to be in a sale December 9th through the 13th. So I have a lot of prep to do for that. I have swaps that I'm doing with a bunch of shop owners, so I'm going to be doing that today. And there's just a lot of prep for that. So I'm kind of okay with the fact that Black Friday was very slow for me and a lot of other shops apparently. So yeah, that's what's going on, but I've been working on the few orders that I did get. It is Cyber Monday, so I might get some today as well. All that to say, we are getting everything done. I've edited and uploaded a video. You guys saw that earlier, or you saw me working on the computer. That's what I was doing. I also have been printing and cutting stickers for the orders. I'm going to package them up here shortly and get them in the mailbox before the mail lady comes today. And then I just have a ton of freebies to design, print, and cut, so I'm going to do that. I also want to get a head start on Vlogmas, so I want to edit day 1. And yeah, there's just a lot of fun stuff. All right, I'm going to stop chatting your ear off, and we are going to get back to finishing all of the orders and getting those done and everything like that. So, all right, let's get into it. Future editing Rachel here, and I edited this video and realized I never asked a question of the day. So we're back asking a question of the day, and I can actually pull one of your questions because today is December 1st, so the first Vlogmas went up and you guys are leaving comments and leaving questions, so we're gonna go with the first one left on Vlogmas Day 1, and that is from Sam C. Thank you so much for sending a question. And it is, should you give Christmas gifts to your siblings and their kids? So leave it in the comments below what you think. I'm a little torn because I only have one sibling and she doesn't have any kids, so I still get her a present. But James has 3 siblings and they all have kids. And so normally we do like a name drawing thing, and then we just get all the kids something. So like name draw, and it'll either be like one of his siblings or one of his parents that he has to get a gift for, and like I get, you know, somebody, and then we just buy the kids something. Like all the kids get something because they're all really young. So that's what we do. And like I said, with my family, it's just my sister, so I still get her gifts. And yeah, but I don't know what it'll be like when she starts having kids. I think it's a little bit easier for me because I only have one sibling, whereas like James has 3. I know a lot of other people have like many siblings. So I don't know if I had more what I would do, but I just have one right now. So let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this and what you think about it. And let's get back to the vlog. Okay, you guys, it is 3 o'clock and I've pretty much done every work-related task that I had to do today. And I've also started editing Vlogmas Day 1. I'm not quite done with it, but I'm pretty close, I feel like. I've been working on it for a little bit. So that's exciting because that doesn't have to go up until Wednesday, which means I'm like kind of a day ahead. So tonight when James plays video games, I'd like to get a head start on Vlogmas Day 2 and hopefully get like not super far ahead. I want them to still be like current, but I also want to give myself enough time where I don't feel rushed and I don't feel like I'm just always editing, you know? Because during Vlogtober, I just felt like every single night we would have dinner and then I would just start editing and just like spend my whole night on the computer, which is fine, but I kind of just want to do Vlogmas a little bit differently. There's some fun things coming up. James and I are going out of town for our anniversary, so I'm gonna film there, but I don't want to have to just like keep editing, you know? So we're gonna do that. And then I know at the end of the month, I'm going on vacation with my family, and it really only messes up the last couple of days of Vlogmas, but I wanna make sure that I have content for you guys to go up then. So yeah, it's a crazy month, but I'm very, very excited. And I'm a little bit nervous about changing up Vlogmas, like just doing plan with me's and things that are not vlogs, because one thing I love about Vlogmas is that it is behind the scenes of somebody's life. It's vlogs, it's seeing their everyday life. And so normally Vlogmas is always just vlogs, but this year I was just like, I really need to make this a little bit easier for myself. And I also didn't know where to put the plan with me's, so if I didn't include them as part of Vlogmas, they just wouldn't go up in December. And I feel like I've been more excited about them. I feel like you guys have been excited about them, and I don't want to get out of the habit of filming them. So yeah, that's where we are at today. I've just been busy. I got so much done today, and like I still have 2 hours of my work day left. So I think I'm just gonna try to finish up Vlogmas, do the thumbnail for that, get that ready to go for Wednesday, and then start on Vlogmas Day 2. Vlogmas Day 2 is gonna take a little bit of time to edit because I feel like I filmed so much on that day, and there was so much going on and so many exciting things in that vlog that I feel like it is gonna take me a little bit of time. So I wanna like try to start editing it tonight and then edit it tomorrow. And James and I also need to film the back half of Vlogmas Day number 3 so I can edit that and get that ready to go. But yeah, I'm excited. It is really awesome that I'm ahead of the game because normally I'm like so far behind, but I really have big plans for this Vlogmas, and I'm just excited. So anyway, there's that. I think I'm gonna go edit for a little bit. I'm not really gonna show that just because it's just me sitting at a computer. I don't know how interesting that is. Let me know if you guys like seeing that stuff, but I just really want to get in the zone. I want to finish it, and I want to make the most of the 2 hours of my work day that I have left. So okay guys, it is several hours later, and James made some spaghetti, but we had a fail. So last night when James went into the grocery store, I texted him the grocery list. I had to stay in the car because we had Dixie. We were like on our way home, and I forgot to tell him we needed ground beef for the spaghetti. So I sent him everything but the ground beef, and he got everything but the ground beef because I failed. So we are having spaghetti tonight with no ground beef. It's just spaghetti, sauce, mushrooms, and zucchini. And I'm not sure how I feel about it, but James says it's gonna be okay. We will see how this works out. I'm not one of those people who like eats spaghetti noodles and sauce. Like I have to have meatballs or meat sauce or something. We'll see how this turns out. Also, I finished editing Vlogmas Day 1. So I got that done. And now we're gonna have dinner, maybe go to the grocery store, maybe just be lazy and order our groceries online. Who knows? But that is what's happening right now. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're not really doing anything super exciting unless we go to the grocery store. But other than that, we're just kind of chilling tonight. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below for more Vlogmas videos. And don't forget to answer the question of the day so you can be entered to win that giveaway. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another new Vlogmas video. Bye guys.